Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis, and I am the visual art teacher here at VWHS High School, and I am going to talk to you about Digital Art 2. So Digital Art 2 is a course in which we explore mediums in graphic design and digital media through Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and focusing on content areas of graphic design, different things from like typography to brochures, posters, pamphlets, so on and so forth. The prerequisite for this course is Fundamentals of 2D. So you take Fundamentals of 2D and then you can take Digital Art 2. And this is available for freshmen through seniors. And this is also a good jumping point if you would like to take Studio Digital later. So you could take Fundamentals of 2D, Digital Art 2, and then Studio Digital. In this course, much like my other courses, we will be using rubrics to grade our projects. We will be using critique to get peer-to-peer feedback and to analyze our work. And we will be doing sketchbook assignments before every project to get our ideas out, and sketchbook prompts in order to think more creatively about ways that graphic design can be done in a two-dimensional way, and how to use different media and graphic design such as type, fonts, color, video editing, so on, video editing and photo editing, and so on and so forth. And again, the prerequisite for this course is Fundamentals of 2D, and that is Digital Art 2.